Hi, this is Dr. Friedlander, and I just got in today the Bee. The Bee is an AI device that is able to remember conversations, tasks, and I thought this would be an interesting device to help students with attention deficit disorder or executive function disorder to help them to remember things to do, track tasks, which could be really helpful, especially for those students that need additional support around tasks and organizing. So let's take a look and see what's in the box. So just going to open this up. And of course, they have the couple of really nice stickers. And let me pull this up. So it comes with a rather small quick start guide. And then here is the device with an extra band as well as a way to carry it in this carried it almost like a pin that you can then attach to your shirt or to a knapsack. So this is the device. It connects to your iPhone or Android phone. The Android app is coming, and to engage it, you press that button, and it will capture the information that you like. So this was just an unboxing. I will get to know this device, and I'll do another video in the near future. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this unboxing, then please subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more videos like this.